Hello to all. I am Tamanjot Kaur and I will be teaching English 2, that is grammar of class 1. This is a continuation part of vowel sound. So today I will be teaching short sound of E, I, O, U, that is from lesson 12 to 15. In this video, this is your first sound, that is lesson 12, short sound of E. Short E sounds as in the word bed. यहाँ पे जब हम bed वर्ड को प्रनाउंस कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ हमें सुनाई दे रहा है फोनेटिक लेटर, मतलब फोनेटिक लेटर है ए और ई, मीन्स BAED। हमें सुनने से ये लगेगा बेड बेड। तो ऐसे ही हम सभी वर्ड्स को एक एक बार पढ़ के सुनते हैं। पर जब हम स्पेलिंग पूरा वर्ड लिखते हैं तो वो BED होगा, ना कि BAED। So now look at the pictures given below and speak the word for each. See the first row. Words are hen, men, pen, ten. हम जितने भी वर्ड्स को प्रनाउंस करेंगे उसमें फोनेटिक लेटर आएगा ही। Now see the second row. Words are den, jet, net, pet. Third row, beg, key, leg, peg. Fourth row, egg, cell, well, bell. Your next sound is I, that is lesson 13, short sound of I. Short I sounds as in the word sit. यहाँ पे sit का pronunciation बहुत ही जल्दी में ख़त्म हो रहा है। हम वो वर्ड को जल्दी ही pronounce कर ले रहे हैं, मतलब वर्ड pronunciation में short time हो रहा है। जैसे sit, sit, sit। आपने सुना ना कितने देर में फिनिश हो रहा है? थोड़ी ही देर में। वैसे ही यहाँ पे सभी साउंड्स थोड़ी ही देर में फिनिश होंगे। So look at each picture and speak the word for it. First row, bib, nib, kid, lid. Next row, bin, pin, fig, chip. Next row, king, ring, sing, wing. So it finishes within less time, and this is short sound of I. Next sounds are O and U. These are also short sounds. As you can see the heading, that is lesson 14, short sound of O, and lesson 15, short sound of U. जैसे कि हमने देखा था short sound of I में words थोड़ी ही देर में pronounce हो सकते थे, वैसे ही यहाँ पर भी short sound of O and U में वो भी words थोड़ी ही देर में pronounce हो सकते हैं। Let's see lesson 14, short sound of O. Short O sounds as in the word not, not. It took less time for the pronunciation. Okay, so we will see all the pictures and we'll read the words. See the first row: hop, mop, top, cot. Next row: pot, ox, fox, box. Next row: dog, log, frog, cock. Like that only our last sound, that is lesson 15, short sound of U. Short U sounds as in the word cup, cup. So it finishes within less time only, like short sound of O only. So we will see each picture and we will read the word for it. First row: cup, mug, tup, cub. Next row: jug, mug, bug, bus. Next row: sun, gun, bun, nun.